questions that you need answered, by all means, please email me. And let's begin. So we're going to be showing you flash fill and why flash fill is actually better than text to columns in this instance. So for example, I have Tony and then a last name, and this information came to me and I want to split this up into separate columns, first name and last name. What's the easiest way to do it? The easiest way to do it is with flash fill. So I'm going to type in Tony here and press enter on my keyboard. Then I'm going to come back up to the B column and I'm going to come over to my home tab. I'm going to come all the way over to the editing section and look for the word fill. I'm going to click the down arrow by the word fill. And I'm going to come down to flash fill. And when I select flash fill and left click my mouse, you can see that it automatically entered the last name. So I'm going to undo this for a minute and I'm going to come over to the C column and I'm going to type the very same thing and press enter on my keyboard. When I come back up to C1 and come back over to my home tab, come back over to fill, and do flash fill, you can see that you get an error message. So with flash fill, you have to be adjacent or the column that you want to use flash fill to. So in this case, when I was in the B column, because everything was in the A column, it worked. Now that I'm in the C column, it will not work. I'm going to type in 20 with lowercase, and it also works as well. So even if you have it typed in with lowercase or uppercase, it will work. You will not get an error message. So now let's go ahead and put that back and let's do the last name. So in the C column, now because we have something in the B column, it understands what I want. I'm going to type in the last name, A-D, press enter on my keyboard. And when I left click my mouse back now in the C column and come back over to my home tab, come over to fill, which is in the editing section, click the down arrow, flash fill, and you can see that it automatically gives me the last name of my employees. So it separated the first name and last name. It did it a lot quicker, and that's how you use flash fill. It's a great tool to learn. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you do, please subscribe. And if you want to email me or you want to put something in the comments, you maybe want me to do something new, by all means, please do so. Have a great day. Peace out.